Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to complete the Coursera week 4 assignment that is actually EX3. So without delaying, let's get started. I am going to do this with Octave. Hope you all know the installing process of Octave. If you don't know, check out my previous videos. And after installing the Octave, first of all you need to just select the directory, click on it. Select the folder where you have kept your machine learning exercises provided by Coursera. So I am going to do this exercise 3, that is week 4 assignment. So select this folder. After selecting this folder, go to file and click on open and just select these .m files. Don't select the lib folder, only select these .m files and click on open. Here you go, your all files have been opened successfully. Now you have to code these programs. If you know codings, then it's great, and if you don't know coding, you can copy the codings from this website that I will provide it in my description box. So after going to that website, please remember, understand the codes, then copy it. Don't copy blindly because it's better for the course. So first of all you need to just copy these codes. Check carefully the file name. First, ircostfunction.m. Now go to the ircostfunction.m file. Here you have to just paste the code. After pasting the code, click on Ctrl+S. That means you have to save this. Remember, you have to do this all for the same. Now here is the second code, one versus all.m. Now do the same process again. After that, pasting that code, again select Ctrl+S. Now do the same process to the next file, that is predict one versus all.m. Remember, you have to press every time Ctrl+X, otherwise it might show you errors. Now go for the predict.m. So your job done finally. Now go to the submit tab. Here you have just to click on save and run. Check carefully this button, just click on it single time. After that, go to the command window. Here you can see use token from the last successful submission. I actually submitted successfully, that is why it is showing like this. If you do for the first time, it will ask for the registered email which you have provided in Coursera, and after that it will ask for the token which has been given by Coursera. Just put the token and hit enter. Your marks will appear here. You will get definitely 100%. I have got also 100%. So hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Please share to your friends and please do subscribe my channel.